Rafting. The river name is the Seti. Okay, this river is coming from the nearby to the Fistel. Okay, the Fistel. And this river is directly going to the India. We have a 6,400 people. All river are going to okay. So rafting is not only for leisure. Why? That's why we are here. Yeah. That's why everybody wants to paddle. This is called paddle. Paddle have three different parts. This is called deep grip, sharp, and okay. So how you hold your paddles? I'm gonna show you. Your one thumb strong on the T grip, two finger top of the T grip, one hand will push. This put right from the river. Please do not ever
Ranjit.
forget one thing. Don't leave your paddle. Leave your paddle. Very strong. Easy. Right?
भर्खर खाएर नि भर्खर खान्छ नि यार
Carry yourself first and carry your friend. Right?
भर्खर फालेको होइन
You like have a carry with you on your paddle ticket.
भर्खर फालेर पनि फेरि हानेको नि
Right? This is a boat. Boat has also 8 different parts. For one side some boat, 2, 3, 4, 3 cross 2, 1 down. Okay? That's why we make the different parts. Sometimes from the river it's like a happening. By chance, by mistake, if any part flash from the river, that time, don't worry, don't panic. Right? Because of you guys have a good life jacket, guide your side, follow the guidelines. It's time for you to do yourself in English.
Yes, sir.
So this is the boat front side, this is the boat behind side. Your guide is always going to sit in the behind side and right? I'm gonna show you how you sit on it. Everybody guys, you should be like have sit on the side chamber, okay? Making to the boat to balance. Right? So this is the front side. So we're gonna sit on the front side. You have to sit here like this and lock it one leg in front of the strap. Okay? Lock it one leg from behind the push. Right? We're gonna sit in the behind side. You have to watch video. You have to lock one leg in front of the push tube, one leg from behind the push. Alright? If you lock your leg properly, nice and tight, there is no chance you are going to lock it. Right? If you are not lock your leg properly and nice and tight, there is a many chances you are easily allowed into the water like a pup.
Like a what?
Like a pup.
Oh, god damn. Okay.
Okay. Everybody want lock your foot nicely and tight. Okay. Before you are going to on the river, so you should be like have a make sure that thing on your mind. Okay. You guys are engine, we are for your dive. It means that without you guys paddling, we cannot do anything. Right power is not enough for the nature. So everybody wants to be like happy with the paddling. If you are doing the paddling, the guide knows how to go, where is the way, right? If you are not doing the paddling, you know, there is a many chances to go out, boat is upside down, you are somewhere, the boat is somewhere. In the rafting, if it did not happen, it's not true. If it did happen, you can never imagine it. Right? So, everybody want happy to the paddle. Okay? So, in the river, we have a 5 to 6 command. You should be like follow the guide command. Our first command is paddle forward. When you guys sit paddle forward, you guys you are sitting in the front side. Okay? First of all, you have to make your eye contact each other. Okay? Then you sit on the part, you have to put into the water, make your paddle 90-degree vertical up. Okay? And you have to make the same thing. 1, 2, 1.
Do you have to drop the whole thing?
Yeah,
Up and-
yellow part.
Yellow part.
Yeah. Right? Our next command is stop. When you guys stop, what you do? Sleeve your paddle on your thigh or on a boat has one lifeline. You have to grab your lifeline. When you grab your lifeline, your paddle is going like this. Your chances to go through. Alright? Our next command is all back paddle. You guys say all back paddle. What you do? You're supposed to by your hip and put up towards the back. This is called paddle. Right? So, the river have a lots of things, okay? Every second river current is changing, right? So, when coming the big waves, rapid, surfing, whaling, when coming the critical moment and a dangerous spot from on the river, okay? This time, the guide is give you, for you and your safety, the guide is give you, come on, get down. When you guys get down, okay, this time, you have to quick go inside the boat. It's really good for you. There's no chances to do it now. If If you guys get down, what to do? That time just show one knee. You have to panic, go inside the boat, take kind of fast, and make your pedal 90 degree vertical off, and you have to give this to your friend. Okay? You have to give this to your friend. So that when you're supposed to carry yourself off and carry your friend to the alright? Got it? So when you guys back to seat, you come back to seat easy again. Okay? When you guys get down, this is a most sensitive command. Okay? So you have to go big kind of fast. No time to
And you have to be very loud while you're.
yeah.
Right?
Call you loud.
Get down!
Like,
Oh Jesus!
Okay, so
Enemy
there are
out!
so there are 4 rules.
I got the flag.
I'm gonna talk more things now which I'm talking about. Alright? So, angle. I already announced you. If you are a wild swimmer guys, don't know to swimming, come on rafting, no problem. Okay? We are here for you and your safety, right? What I'm talking to you here is for you and your safety. Okay? Both of my thing is safety is first priority. Okay? So, by chance, if anybody you guys are fell out into the water, please that time do not panic. If you guys are panic, you know, we are also panic. This is going to many conflicts with our problem. Right? So don't panic. Because of why? You guys have a good guide, right? And a good guide to your side. Right? The guide is always looking forward you. The guide is always watching to you. The guide is with you on your side. The guide is standing watching to you. Okay? So, by chance, if anybody fell out into the water, I will also don't panic. Okay? You guys are far from the outboard. Just like 250 meters. Suppose you got to out. Right? You far from the outboard. Just like 2 to 3 meters. Far from the outboard. Okay? This time, you guys are not a one with your guide. Okay? Because of your guide is sitting behind and handling the raft. Okay? So, this is the adventure, right? I already announced you. You guys have first of all carry yourself first. Okay? And you have to help with your friend. Okay? So put your heart from the output. Just like can you practice parasign like this, sir? Okay? Move on side. Not for you, not for you, not for you, not for you. Okay? Move on side. You have to go help with you. So practice your parasign. Right? And ready? Suppose your friend far from the output. Okay? Far from the output. Listen. So what you do, your friend check from the output 4 to 5 meters, 6 meters, lock it like this, okay? And pull your right. We have a
Joy!
rescue time.
Come on, Joy!
Yes, on, okay? Step by step. So listen me. So who gonna go to the rescue? Me, right? First of all, carry yourself up. Set your hand like this. So Anna, we gonna go to the rescue. The water, that's enough, right? Yeah. Okay. So what you do? You have to carry yourself first, lock your foot properly, nice and tight. Can you come here, please? Just sit down. If you like, you are into the water. Okay. Your friend have also paddle, right? You have to save your friend paddle. Okay. So who's gonna go to the rescue? Please don't touch the head, don't touch the hands, don't touch any parts of the body. You know, many people are going to try to help to the friend. You know, they are going to try and grab the friend and pull it. Okay. There is many chances to go in your friend hand. Right? So what you do? This is called life jacket soldier. You have to grab the life jacket soldier. Okay. And count yourself. 1, 2, 3, up.
Right!
Okay. Right? You guys are go. You guys are go. Come out in the water. Come back out in the boat. It's really hard. Nobody wants to and that means you guys have full hand power. Okay? So it can help you with the it's easy communication. Alright? Got it? So supposedly you guys are far from my boat. 4 to 5 meters, 10 meters, okay? 20 meters, 25 meters far from my boat, right? This time, you know, your guide might have a loss of pressure. This time, your guide is not going to remind you alright? You guys pull out into the water. That time, you guys, the name is swimmer. Hey, swimmer! Otherwise, into the water, we speak loudly, people are not listening. Okay? This time, what you do, we have also make something. The last one, sir, we like that. Okay, then what you do, you have to open your hands. When you open your hands like this, okay, then I'm going to throw the this bag. When I throw this bag, the bag is going to like this. Right? This time, please, don't grab this bag. If you grab this bag, there is a loss of rope. You are going to far from the house. What you do? You have to grab the rope. How you grab the rope? Just grab both of your hands like this. Grab the right leg shoulder. Alright? Then you guide it to the full back. Okay? This rope is very high risk to come under it. Many people are dying from under this stuff. So please, very sensitive. Okay, you have to grab on this. Okay? Listen. So, you know, the people are sometimes, you know, the band the rope on your hands. You know? Okay? This is not a good. Because of the rescue time, the rope is going to somehow do somewhere inside the water. What is inside, we really don't know. The rope is going to lock it up. So that time you are only digging up this thing, right? The water is every second with you, right? After 5, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, you know, you have to go into the water, you understand that, yeah? So please, this rope is very sensitive. Just you grab your hands like this. Okay? And on the river, if your guide feeling like uncomfortable and it's a very difficult movement up there, so your guide keep come on. Hey you, leave the rope. Leave the rope. What you do? Just don't grab on the rope. Just leave it. If you guys are flowing down from the river, I hope you know how to save your life. Otherwise, the guide knows to you. Guide is every time watching you and with you on your side. The guide is come to first you and pick up. Ready? So, if you guys are floating into the water, mostly, okay, what you do? The river is going to upstream, right? The river is going to downstream, right? If you guys are floating into the water, please do not try to downstream in the river like this. If you try to downstream in the river current is every second with you, right? And there is a many chances you feel the loss of water, right? So, if you try to downstream on the river, on the flat section you guys are not allowed, right? If you fell out, you feel there is a stump. It's good. Okay? So, if you try to downstream in the river, your beautiful face is going to hit on the rocks, scratch your body. That's not safety is our first priority. Right? Watch it here. Don't try to downstream in the river. If you fell out, just remind me. Watch it here. Make the white water swimming pool. This means that your head upstream, your feet downstream. Open your eyes, close your mouth. Try to grab the life jacket shoulder and try to look at the sky. If you are making the white water swimming position, there is no chances to go scratch your body. There is no chances to be in the water. Alright?
So like if you fell in the water, we're gonna position ourselves like a straight.
Just sleep and look at the sky. Right? And no chances to be scratched. Alright? Got it?
Got it. Okay, so how do you hold this again?
Yeah.
Like this, like this. Right.
And listen. And why I am talking to you here, okay? If by chance, by mistake, in the river, anything happened, okay? We really don't know. See that what happened going to come, right? Don't know, right? If I give you now is something to you, okay? You understand, right? For the easy communication, I rescue you. That's why I come to you. Okay? So now is the water current is very nice because of the mountain time. It is up to the Himalaya side already. Water current is quick fast. So and the river we have also